Hi everyone, welcome to our ChatGPT UI tutorial. Today I'll show you the new desktop app we built for easily chatting and using ChatGPT. We thought it would be awesome to build a custom chat client app to talk to ChatGPT right from your desktop rather than a web browser. We built it using Python and a PyQt5 library, so it's fast and responsive and worked on the Windows, macOS, and Linux. Let me give you a quick tour of the app. As you can see, it has a simple chat interface with many options like paraphrasing, code debugging, summarizing, translating, and so on. I start with the API key. You need to get your own API key from the OpenAI platform. As a free user, you can enjoy the first 3 months of API key usage for free. After this period, you can buy credits or create a new account and to access an additional 3 months of free usage. After getting your API key, you can fix it here and enjoy using the app. You have a switch button to switch between dark and light themes. In this app, you can copy text from any document in your system and paraphrase, explain, summarize, or do any other prompt on that by just checking the use last clipboard text. However, if you want to enter your text manually, you can uncheck this and start writing your prompt. Let's start with the app and have some explanation of artificial intelligence. You can easily type artificial intelligence and press the generate button. If you check the previous responses, you can keep your responses. Newly generated responses will go below the last ones. But that's not all. Want to rephrase it? You can copy a part of the response, go through the paraphrase section, and choose the paraphrase styles you want from the options available. Let's choose standard paraphrasing that rewrites text in a reliable manner to maintain meaning, and then by checking the use last clipboard text, click the generate button to get the paraphrase text. Now we can check keep previous responses and then try other paraphrase styles like simple style, which presents the text in a way most people can understand. We can set the number of responses to 2 and then click the generate button. As you see, we have all 3 responses now. Do you want translations? Just choose languages and you're good. Here I'm gonna translate the copy text into Persian and Chinese languages. We can also bring the previous text to check our summarize option. We have another amazing option as well. You can use a grammar checker to find your text errors by writing text here and clicking the generate button. You can find your original text, differences highlighted, and the corrected version. In a custom prompt, you can easily chat with ChatGPT based on your manual prompt. Let's ask for a simple Python code. Our UI can detect code blocks and represent them in green color while generating the code, and after the response is ready, it applies code highlighter to the codes. We can copy the code, bring it to the debug code section, and add some typos and ask ChatGPT to fix the errors. Those who need a proxy to connect to the ChatGPT can set their HTTP proxy using the switch button. This is just the beginning. We plan to improve the app continuously and add more features. Don't forget to check updates from the help menu and give us a star for our GitHub repository. Our code is fully open source. and you can find more tutorials about our ChatGPT UI there. See you next time.